Hello, ST Sanjar Management Company welcomes you and would like to demonstrate video instruction how to use the pending order signals received through our mobile application ST Sanjar Trading Signals. We would like to remind you that our application ST Sanjar Trading Signals is available on the Apple Store and Google Play. The history of already used signals is available for all registered users, and to receive new signals you need to register and subscribe to paid signals. Briefly about this type of signal. Pending order signals are signals for pending orders for 7 main pairs. Signals are received until 7 a.m. GMT, and usually all the signals for that day are received within few minutes. If the pending order signals menu has the signals of the previous days, it means that the signals were received on the day indicated in the signal date, and the deals on them are already executed. They don't need to be set, but since they have reached the closing levels, they will be reflected on the pending order signals menu. Only after closing, they will be reflected on the history menu. All established orders for signals that was not opened before 6 p.m. GMT must be deleted. This can be done either manually or during the installation of orders specifying the expire time. How it works. You are notified with alert and text message about a new signal after opening the apps, and look at the new signals in the menu. Memorize the signal and set a pending order on your trading account. An example, let's set an order for GBP USD pair. At the signal from us, GBP USD sell limit 1.4060, stop loss 1.4090, take profit 1.3950. Open a terminal. Select a GBP USD pair. Choose a trade. Choose sell limit. Choose LOT to match your balance and risk. Set the price of the order 1.4060. Set the stop loss order 1.4090. Set the take profit order 1.3950. Set the expiration so that the open for orders themselves are deleted if not opened before 6 o'clock. Kindly note that all brokers have different server time in different regions, and request you find out on which time zone you have server time on the trading terminal. For example, if GMT +2, then expiration time is set to 8 hours in the evening. Now, click to place. Your order is set. In this sequence, you set all signals for this day. At average, you need 5 to 10 minutes per day to use pending order signals. Warning: performing trading operations within finance market with marginal financial tools hold high level of risk and can lead to getting negative income and to investment losses. Our company gives only recommendations and is not responsible for your result. Prior to starting the trading process, please make sure that you fully acknowledge all possible risks and also have relevant knowledge and experience for trading Forex. Passing out signals to non-paying customers is prohibited. Thank you for your attention.